Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can update N8N on Hostinger. So let's get started. In N8N, when you see a red dot in the bottom left corner, that means a new update is available. For example, when I clicked it, I noticed I hadn't updated in a month, and I was 6 versions behind the latest release. So let's go ahead and update it together. First, go back to your Hostinger dashboard. Open the browser terminal, and it will redirect you to another page. Here, you'll just need to follow 3 simple steps to complete the update. Then pull the latest version. Run the Docker compose pull command. This will download the latest version of N8N. After that, stop the current instance. Use Docker compose down to stop your existing N8N container and start the updated instance. Finally, run Docker compose up to start N8N again with the new version. And that's it. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can track order with N8N. So let's get started. First, log into your N8N account and create a new workflow. Now, add a trigger node depending on where your orders are coming from. For example, if you're using Shopify, search for the Shopify trigger node, or if your orders are stored in a Google Sheet, add the Google Sheets trigger. Once your trigger is set up, connect it so that every time a new order is placed, it will fire this workflow. Next, add a function or set node to extract useful details like the order ID, customer name, and status. After that, connect an output node to send this information where you want to track it. For example, you can add an email node to get order updates directly in your inbox, a Slack node to push order notifications to your team, or even a Google Sheets node to log every order in real time. Once everything is linked, click on Execute Workflow to test if it's pulling the order correctly and sending the update. If it works fine, activate the workflow so it runs in the background automatically. Now, every time a new order is placed, you'll have automated tracking set up without needing to check your store dashboard manually. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can set up QuickBooks API and N8N integration settings. So let's get started. First, open N8N and make sure you're logged in. Click on the plus icon at the top right corner to add a new node. In the search bar, type QuickBooks and select it from the list. You'll see a list of available actions. For this example, click Create a Customer to start setting up your workflow. Next, click Select Credential and choose Create New Credential. Enter your client ID and client secret, which you can find in your QuickBooks developer account. Then select your environment, either production or sandbox, depending on your setup. Once that's done, go back and select the resource you want to work with. Then choose the operation you need, such as create, get many, update, or even a custom API call. You can also enter a display name, like QuickBooks, to help identify your integration. After filling in the details, go back, and you'll see that QuickBooks is now successfully connected to N8N. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can cancel an N8N subscription. So let's get started. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official N8N website. Make sure you have a stable internet connection since you'll be handling account-related tasks. On the home page, click the Sign In option in the top right corner. Enter your login details to access your account. Once signed in, navigate to the admin panel. This is your central hub for managing subscriptions and account settings. Take a moment to look around. You'll see your dashboard, subscription details, and various account options. Now, look for the option to manage or cancel subscription. The wording might vary depending on updates, but it will be in the subscription management section. Click it to start the cancellation process. Carefully read any on-screen messages, as they may include important details, such as what happens after cancellation or whether you have the option to pause instead of canceling. If you're on a free trial, you don't need to cancel manually. N8N automatically ends free trials when they expire, and any trial data is deleted so you won't be billed unexpectedly. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your subscription or confirmed that your trial will expire on its own. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to contact N8N customer support for assistance. They're always ready to help. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can connect N8N to Telegram. So let's get started. Inside N8N, there are a few ways to create credentials. You can click the arrow at the top, use the plus button, or simply create them while working inside a workflow. For this example, let's add a Telegram trigger node. Select Message, then open the drop-down and choose Create New Credential. Here, N8N will ask for an access token, which we'll get from Telegram. Getting the access token from Telegram. In Telegram, search for BotFather in the chat. This is the official bot used to create new bots. Type /newbot and follow the instructions. Give your bot a name, for example, YouTube Telegram Demo. Create a username that ends with bot. Once done, BotFather will send you a message with your new bot's API token. Copy that token. Setting up in N8N. Go back to N8N, paste the token into the access field, and give your credential a name. Save it, and your connection is now ready. To test, head to Telegram, open your new bot, and send a message, for example, "Hey there, what's up?" Within seconds, N8N will capture the message, confirming the connection is successful. And that's it, you've successfully connected N8N to Telegram in under 2 minutes. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can import an N8N template. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the official N8N website. If you're new, take a moment to get familiar with the layout and log in if necessary. From here, go to the workflow editor. This is where all the automation magic happens. If you already have projects set up, you'll see them listed. Open the project where you want to import the new workflow. Inside the editor, look at the top navigation bar and click on the 3 dots, the More Options menu. From the drop-down, select Import from File. Before doing this, make sure you've already downloaded the template file to your device. Templates usually come in JSON format. Always ensure the file is from a trusted source to avoid any issues. Once you choose Import from File, a window will pop up asking you to select your JSON file. Navigate to the file on your computer, select it, and N8N will automatically import and add it into your workflow. After importing, go through each step of the workflow to confirm everything matches your needs. You may need to adjust variables, parameters, or nodes so that the template fits your specific use case. Templates provide a solid starting point, but a little tweaking will ensure it works perfectly for you. And that's it, you've successfully imported an N8N template. It's a simple process that helps you get up and running quickly while maximizing your automation efforts. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can upload and use JSON file in N8N, so let's get started. First, open up your N8N dashboard and go to the Overview section. From here, create a new workflow. You'll now see a blank workspace where we can import our JSON file. Next, make sure you have some valid JSON code copied to your clipboard. For this example, I generated a simple JSON file using Chattit. To import it into N8N, simply click anywhere on the blank workflow area and press Ctrl+V on your keyboard. Within seconds, your JSON code will appear inside N8N. Once it's pasted, the workflow will be applied automatically. The only step you may need to adjust afterward is updating any credentials if they're required by the workflow. And that's it, you've successfully uploaded a JSON file into N8N. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.